Why you should eat almonds before bedtime. Eating before bedtime used to be taboo, meaning it was preached to us over and over that eating before bed would make you prone to fat gain. That conventional wisdom is still true to some extent, however, there are some exceptions to the rule. If you are an athlete, working out regularly, looking to add mass, or even burn fat, there are certain foods that are fine to eat before bedtime. Almonds are one of those foods. This post will discuss why you should eat almonds before bed. Why eat almonds before bed? Your body is about to go without food for the next 6 to 8 hours. If you are on a strict workout program, your muscles are in a state of recovery, repair, and growth. Almonds are a calorie-dense food packed with omega-3s and healthy fats that take a significant amount of time to digest. If you consume almonds about 30 minutes before bedtime along with a healthy shot of casein protein, your body will have a steady supply of nutrients throughout the night, which will enhance your growth and recovery and prevent your body from shutting down and becoming catabolic at night. What kind of almonds should I eat? Almonds are almonds, but the way they are prepared determines what to purchase. Simply avoid any almonds that are prepared using vegetable oil. Smoked, roasted, or plain almonds are your best bet. I don't like almonds, can I eat something else? If you do not like almonds, you can substitute them with walnuts, pecans, cashews, Brazil nuts. In conclusion, it is unfortunate that only 8% of Americans eat nuts regularly, as they are loaded with healthy fats, omega-3s and other nutrients. Most people shy away from nuts due to the high number of calories and fat that are present in most tree nuts. A small handful of nuts every day can provide you with protein, fiber, unsaturated fats, and important vitamins and minerals.